Alright guys, so now we're going to talk about how to calculate your critical data point. So data point number one you want to be measuring is your cost per acquisition. And that literally just means how much does it cost to get you in front of a front end buyer. And it's important to know that because you want to see if you're advertising profitably. So the formula to get that metric is just your ad spend divided by your total number of sales. So an example, if you spend $500 on sales and you got 100 sales, then 500 divided by 100 will be 5. So your cost per acquisition will be $5. So data point number two you want to get down is going to be your cost per click. And that simply means how much does it cost for each click on your ad. And this is an important metric to judge because you know if your ad copy or your video is performing well. So the formula for the cost per click is literally your ad spend divided by the total number of unique clicks. So for example, if you spend $200 on ads, you generated 100 clicks, then 200 divided by 100 will be 2, which means you have a $2 cost per click, which you definitely would want to lower that to like 50 cents. So data point number three is going to be your click-through rate. And that simply means the ratio between how many people see your ad or email versus how many people click through to your page. And this is important to assess whether the email or the ad copy or creative is performing well. So the formula for your click-through rate is going to be the total number of clicks divided by the total number of views, then multiplied by 100. So for example, if 5,000 people open your email, 100 people click the link, then 100 divided by 5,000 will be 0.02. And 0.02 times 100 would be 2, which means you have a 2% click-through rate. So the next metric we're going to measure is going to be your average order value. And this basically tells you how much you can afford to spend to acquire a new customer on the front end and still break even on ad spend. So the formula for average order value is total sales, including bump sales and upsells, divided by the number of buyers. So for example, if you have 84 front end sales at $27 a piece, and 21 buyers took the order bump at $19 a piece, 11 buyers took the upsell 1 at $197, and then 4 buyers took the upsell at 2 at $97, then your total sales would be 84 times 27 plus 21 times 19 plus 11 times 197 plus 4 times 97. So your total sales would be 2,268 plus 399